What's up, guys? As promised, I said I would take you out to somewhere that is outside of Beaver that has something pretty cool that you don't always get to see around this area. So let's start to take a walk and I'll show you what I mean. Right here we see an old church. So let's begin our walk down and see what we can find. We have to go this way. And I think we'll be okay if we park there. Mind you, we're next to a big highway. It's pretty warm out today. You know what? Since it's getting really noisy, we're gonna cut it out here, and I'll see you back down at the bottom. All right, guys. So we're getting a little closer to our spot here. You can see there's a lot of woods. Alright guys, as you can see, there's some roaring water down there. I wonder what's on the other side. Shall we continue on down the path and check it out? I think we should. Let's go that way. Okay guys, so here it is, as promised. A waterfall. How about that? Something you don't usually see around this area. What a gorgeous day it is out here to be shooting videos for you all. Can we get to the top? I think we'll climb up. Alright guys, just listen to the power of that water. How cool is that? Look how clear the water is down there. We've got a guy going down there to test the temperature. Alright guys, let's go behind the fall. Good thing this buddy's waterproof. Look at that, right under the fall. Buttermilk Falls from a little bit of a distance. We were just underneath the fall there for a moment. Absolutely gorgeous day. Glad I could bring you all here. Gorgeous picture. And this is just outside Beaver, PA, if you're in the area. Absolutely stunning. Alright, Vlog Life viewers, let's go up to the top, see if we can get there. Gotta ease our way down here, nice and easy. Alright, so I think this is the magical way up. This way here, so we're gonna see if we can master this. For you, the viewers, right? Climb up here and see if we can go to the top of the falls. And there it is back there, peeking through. So let's give it a shot. Sometimes you really wish you had two hands to be able to do this, but we made it. We made it to the top. I think this is probably where the car's at, to be honest. Because there's the church. Like, share, subscribe, donate please to the page. You can throw down whatever you have, it doesn't matter. It could be $1, it could be $5, it could be $20. I don't care. Whew. Oh man, I'm a little out of shape. Took the dog on a walk today for like 45-50 minutes. All around the neighborhood. Go in from that. Now I'm up here for you guys. Okay, I think we go this way. Maybe. We shall see. Alright guys, so we're almost at the top of the waterfall. Before we get there, some so you can go swimming here at your own risk, of course. Some more peaceful marks on the rocks, as I like to call them. Let's continue on up here. I think if we go this way, we'll get to the top. Again, two hands are better than one, but we're gonna go with none. All right, we did it. Wow, check it out. How about that? Let's walk around here. This is it here. Again, man, is it a gorgeous day out here. Let's come out here again. when it's even warmer, but I think right now it's pretty awesome. And what do I see up there? An abandoned house. Maybe we can get some of the, maybe we can get in there for you guys at some point and check it out. There's these railroad tracks right here. I'm guessing a road. We will have to definitely take a look at that in a minute. I had no idea that was up here. And guys, I've been up here 2-3 dozen times, and I've never seen that up there. If you can see it, right above the bridge. Totally creeped out abandoned house. So we'll check a look at that as soon as we're done with the waterfall here. Yeah, it's a little steep. I didn't really wear my hiking shoes. Got the old trusty Sambas on here today. Love them. Wear them everywhere. Usually I'm not a guy for heights. Whoa. Check it out up here. I mean, there it is, guys, the waterfall. To be honest, I absolutely hate heights, so you're lucky I'm up here doing this for you guys. That's why you have to donate to my page. Hit the PayPal link, man. You need like $5 for doing this. Seriously, how awesome is this? All right, guys, let's move on a little further up here, see if we can not get too wet. I'll take you for a little walk under a really cool bridge. I know at some point I'm gonna fall in here. It's gonna suck. It is what it is. It's not too slippy. There are some things to hold on to, but I'm not really holding my breath with it. I mean, we could probably walk down into there, but there's really no point of that. But yeah, I got this cool bridge up here. And just on the other side is a really creepy abandoned house, so we got a couple shots of that. Don't know if we can get inside there today. If not, that's for another day, another video. Tell me what you think about this, guys, in the comments. Again, this is Buttermilk Falls. I don't know, some people say it's haunted up here at night. I don't know if I believe that. I've been up here at night a few times. The only thing I see up here are people hanging out. Back in the day, people used to party up here and mess it up. It's not too bad now. I'm surprised that I didn't see a lot more trash floating around up here. So, now we're gonna try to get back down here. And then we're gonna try to take a jump over up that way to the abandoned house. Now, if you guys see something here, I had an ingrown hair. Ignore that. Pulled it out, it's gone. But yeah, let's get back down that way. Let's get over to the bridge and see what we can see. Alright guys, so I crossed the tracks. Oddly, I told you I hate heights, and if you look how far down some of those go, it is steep. But this is where it takes you out to the back here, just to give you a shot. Ooh, almost fell over. But yeah, I'm risking this for you guys, my viewers. Check that place out. Yeah, it's like a falling down building with a chair. I mean, I don't know how well you can see it on here, but it's all train tracks out here. Let's see what photographs we can take. It's kind of cool, just got a chair hanging out there. Now, I have heard that this house up here, I don't know how well you can see it on here, is extremely haunted. They have no idea why the chair is where it's at. My guess is homeless people, vandals, you know, things like that. There's a chair and a table. Maybe someone goes up there to look at the trains going by. I don't know. It doesn't look very safe to me. People say you can hear screams in the middle of the night coming from here. That I can believe. I mean, it's falling down. It probably caught fire at one time, maybe. But that I'm not too sure of. If you guys know anything about this place, throw it in the comments below. And gorgeous day, but I think it's time to head out. Guys, I don't want to stir the neighbors up here too much. Right here for Vlog Life TV, but that behind me is some freaky shit. Like I said, I don't know how well you can see it. It's kind of in the dark with this. I took some photographs on my phone and on here, so hopefully you guys get a better view of it. But nothing but train tracks from here on out. So we're gonna have to start our descent to get back to where we need to go. I have to run over some great for you of my train tracks, and again, you know, I totally hate, well, number one, train tracks. Number two, heights. So again, like, share, subscribe, and donate, because I'm risking my life up here for you guys. All right, so take one more last look. Let's pan this around. Again, we are at the top of Buttermilk Falls. Again, like, share, subscribe. Rich for the Vlog Life TV. See you next time.